Hi, this is Krishika Lulla and you're watching indiaglitz.com. Bajate Raho is a very sweet small movie with an ensemble cast, as you can see. It's a very real story about what's happening in our society and all. It's like instead of telling people in a giving them lecture about it कि ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा है, we all know ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा है, but nobody wants to hear in the lecture. So we thought like let it be in a fun way. Tell them in a fun way, प्यार से हंसा हंसा के और रियलाइज कराए कि क्या हो रहा है इस दुनिया में जो हमें सब पता है कि छोटी छोटी बातें डाउरी हम सब जानते हैं करप्शन जैसे होता है मिलावट होती है दूध में मिलावट या ऐसे सब हम जानते भी हैं लेकिन हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं तो एक मैसेज है कि जागते रहो और बजाते भी रहो और देखो ऑब्वियसली टाइम तो लेते हैं प्रोड्यूस करने में बट या he went through a lot of like 12 I think sessions to make it more crispy and nice. Took time because Sushant also loves to give a message across to everyone, like in Chalo Delhi also, which I produced also with Sushant. Sushant was the director. So there also he left a beautiful message, and here also he left a lot of messages in like if you have to realize where all he's left a message. So even I love to do such movies which is little sensible and leaves a message. It's not a slapstick comedy. It's not this one over the top comedy. It's a very subtle and nice way. Nothing is pushed or forced. Not the songs are pushed. It goes. It's all the requirements. So that's how. No, हम चाहते थे single release होए, but suddenly all the movies was announced later. So हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते थे because we had already announced 26 July and बाकी के बाद में announcement हो रहे थे. So we can't keep changing the date when you announce it. So I wish everyone wins in this field. It's like everybody likes entertainment, so there's a place for everyone. So hopefully. एक्चुअली ये जो भजन है तो ये एक्चुअल दिल्ली में होता है द बेस्ट पॉपुलर सॉन्ग्स उसको भजन बनाते हैं तो शशांक वाज सेड आई वांट टू डू दिस सो आई वाज लाइक यार रियली आई सेड हाँ एक्चुअली होता तो है लेकिन सो ही आस्क्ड मी लाइक व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट सॉन्ग आई सेड फॉर मी देसी बॉयज व्हिच आई डिड लास्ट एंड द बेस्ट सॉन्ग फॉर मी वाज तू मेरा हीरो. So he said, "Chalo, ये लेते हैं." I said, for 5 minutes, I was like, "What?" I said, "This song, which is so precious, dear my heart. Like, how can you do that?" He said, "I said, believe me, this song is already must be taken and they must be doing it." I said, "Chalo, बनाते हैं." And I think it's become very popular. People are loving it. And when we made this song, we all were the cast and the crew. They were enjoying it and we were laughing and giggling about it like it went on so late like 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the night but nobody left even they had their pack up but they all were sitting and watching and we were having fun behind so it was a nice journey when we made the song. हम लोग try कर रहे हैं कुछ अलग करने के लिए thematic करने के लिए तो अभी हम सिटी टूर्स में जाएंगे तो वी आर प्लानिंग टू डू समथिंग लाइक वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू अ स्मॉल स्किट टाइप एंड विथ स्मॉल स्किट गैग्स जो होते हैं एंड उसके बाद वील हैव दिस जागराता सॉन्ग and maybe we do Nagan song together also so people will come and enjoy and have fun when the gigs are on not like the other promotion when people go hello hi तो बहुत होता है but we're trying to give them some visuals also. Ross is doing Rambo Rajkumar, Ram Leela and many such productions are on so I bless whatever you say, God bless and say that 2013 is blissful for Ross.